Hi everyone. When I upgraded my iPhone to iOS 26, I noticed something in Safari, and that was it wasn't as quick to switch to other tabs. Now, in the past, there was a little square in the corner, bottom right-hand corner, and I would tap on that, it would bring up my tabs, and I could also switch to tab groups really easily. But now, in the bottom right-hand corner, I've got these three dots, and it's got some other useful things in there, like share, add to bookmarks, add bookmark to, new tab, new private tab, bookmarks, and all tabs. So I now have to tap on all tabs. It's an extra step, and it just took getting used to doing that. However, I did think, is there a quicker way to do it? So if you swipe up by tapping on the address bar at the bottom, you can now get to your tabs really quickly, and you can add a tab. And you can see here as well, if I press on my tabs here, don't judge me, 337 tabs. I do need to close some. Tap on there and you can see I've got my other tab group. So my games that I use, of course, there's Wordle there, and that allows me to switch, and I can just tap on it. So once again, I just swipe up from the bottom on the address bar, and it takes me to my tabs. Now, I think that's quite useful, and it also speeds things up. I hope you found this useful. If you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more.